Lentils are a great way to add in some plant-based proteins to your meals because they are quite nutritious and very filling. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make red lentils, and it's going to be a quick one and also a delicious recipe. So you're going to get started by placing a pot over medium flame, and then you're going to add in some cooking oil. I've added in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and because I've already prepped up all my ingredients, it's going to take me very few minutes to make my red lentils. So I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of red lentils, and this is how they look like, and they're not parboiled. We are going to be cooking the lentils straight as they are. So once your cooking oil is hot, you're going to add in your onions and saute for around a minute until soft. I'm not going to be parboiling my lentils because they cook really fast. So when it comes to spices, I'm going to be adding in some few mild spices and one of my favorite spices, that is black pepper. So I'm going to be adding in some paprika, turmeric, cumin, some garlic powder, and of course salt to season our red lentils stew. When the onions are softening up, you're going to add in some crushed garlic and ginger. This is around 3 cloves of garlic and maybe a teaspoon of ginger. After adding in your garlic and ginger, you're going to saute for around 30 seconds until the garlic and ginger is fragrant. I'm going to add in my spices, that is cumin, paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, and black pepper. Toasting the spices together with the onions as they cook for around 30 more seconds, and the kitchen is smelling incredible. When the spices are well toasted, you're going to add in 2 large diced tomatoes and cook until the tomatoes are mushy. You can add in a splash of water so that the tomatoes can cook through. And to season my tomatoes, I'm going to be adding in some salt. You can as well add in some seasoning cubes because they're going to add in even more flavor to the dish. Stir in and let the tomatoes cook. When you see oil separating from the tomatoes, your tomatoes are ready. So you're going to add in your lentils into the pot. Stir in and add in water enough to boil your lentils. So I'm going to be adding in 3 cups of water. Stir in. Bring the flames to high, and then I'm going to let this come to a boil. Reduce the flames to medium, and then let the lentils simmer slowly so that they can cook through. As the lentils cook, watch over your pot because they cook really fast, and also you don't want to overcook the lentils. After 10 minutes of slowly cooking my red lentils, this is how they're looking like, and they're looking so delicious. So I'm going to add in some green capsicum, stir in, and then I'm going to give this around a minute so that the capsicum can soften up. My red lentil stew is ready, and it's looking so good and vibrant, and I'm actually loving the outcome. It has been around 15 minutes and everything is ready to serve, and I'm going to be serving with my turmeric vegetable rice pilau that I made earlier on. You can check up here or in the description box for the full recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out red lentils, and trust me, it's going to be delicious.